viewers, welcome back to Siri Algorithms YouTube channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, I am going to show you the tuple methods, unpacking and unpacking concept. Let me show you the methods. So, what methods are there in the tuple? Print of, directory of, tuple. You can see. Only two methods, one is count and other one is index. Because why we have only two methods? Because the tuple is a immutable property. So let me explain the count. Maybe take this example. Like this. I want to count how many times the specified value is occurring in the tuple 1. So tup1 dot count of, you can specify the value here, maybe 30, how many times it occurred. See, total 4 times, 1 time, 3 times here. So total 4 times. Maybe how many times the value 40? Only 1 time. Next, index is a method. So we are going to specify the value through we are accessing the position of the element. So you can write like a print of tup1 dot index of which element, index number you want to know. Maybe I want to know 40. What is the index number? It is 3. 0, 1, 2 and this is 3. So you can see the position. Index through we are accessing the position. If you want to check what is the position for 10, you can write the 10 here. 0. So let me show you one more thing. Tuple is immutable property unless you change the data structure, you're not able to edit anything. That means you're not able to add any element, you're not able to delete any element. Then how to change the data structure? It's simple. You can take like a list1 is equal to list of tup1. Just print of list1 here. Now you can see the data structure changed from the tuple to list. So once you change the data structure, then you can use all list methods like append, extend, insert, pop, remove, clear, copy. You can use like a index, count, reverse, sort. Every method will work. Next, let me show you one more concept, packing and unpacking in tuple. So if you want to pack all the elements into one variable, that is like a packing. When you want to unpack it, give the variables. Just take me one example like tuple 2 is equal to 10, 20, 30, Python and false. So you can see these all are the values that I am going to packing into the variable of tup2. You can see. Now this is packing. You can packing concept. And I want to unpack it. That means I want to give the variables. Each value I want to store one of the variable. So now I am going to unpack it. Unpacking. So just how many values are there? You can see total 5 values. So you need to take like a, for every value one variable. So I'm just taking like a B, C, D, E is equal to. Just write the which one you want to unpack it. That variable name you have to write it here. that is like a tup2. So print of a, you can see a value is equal to 10. If you give like a print of b means 20, print of c means 30, print of d means python, print of e means false. So how many values are there? That many variables you need to take to unpack. In case if I am missing one of the variable here, now you can see what type of error is raising. Too many values to unpack, expected 4 only here, but total how many values are there? 5. That's why the error raised. So if you take, you can see this is packing and unpacking. So these are the properties, operations and functions and methods of the tuple. Please follow my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. In next video, I'm going to explain about the set data structure, properties, functions, operations and methods. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you in next video.